Getting creative with Sculpey Clay is a lot of fun. See how we use Sculpey to create these beautiful unique clay beads right here on BoredBox. To begin, choose the clay colors of your choice and remove the wrapping. To make a marbleized bead design, break off small pieces of different colored clays. Knead them to soften. Combine the clays and lightly knead them together. Roll the clay into a ball or whatever shape you'd like your bead to be. Experiment with different shapes you can create. And don't be afraid to get creative. Once you've created all of your beads, use a clay tool to poke holes all the way through so that you can string your beads after they bake. If you are a kid, ask an adult to help. When you're finished, load your beads onto a baking sheet and bake at 275 for 20 to 40 minutes. Your beads are complete.
For more lessons in art, crafts, DIYs, tips, and tutorials, visit getboredbox.com and subscribe to our channel by clicking at the top. Thanks for watching!